It is a hot day in the south. Even so, I think I hear my plane calling me. She wants some exercise. A quick check of the conditions at the airport confirms the weather there is VFR. So I plan a short hop over to Chattanooga, shoot a touch and go there, and then stop off in Dalton, since I haven't been there before. Let's see what they have there. I print out the airport diagram for Chattanooga and head to the airport. After pre-flight and startup, I check the AWAS. Winds favor runway 34, so let's go.
Pickens County traffic, RV 6 Whiskey Sierra is taxiing from the hangars to runway 34 at Pickens County.
Here's something I've noticed about my GoPro. Anytime I'm turning, it seems like the camera pans a little bit to the side, like it lags the turn a bit. You'll see this when we take off as well. Then it straightens back up to point straight ahead. That's interesting.
Pickens traffic, Uniform Tango, turning left downwind, west base for runway 24, Pickens. 34, correction, 34 Pickens.
County H2 maximum on the go 34 will be a departure to the southeast.
Pickens County traffic, RV 556 Whiskey Sierra is departing runway 34, and we're going to head to the west to Pickens County. And traffic on base, don't worry, we're going to be gone.
I got your insight.
Pickens County traffic, rated to maximum on the departure leg and turning right and departing the area towards the southeast.
After takeoff, I turn west to head in the direction of Chattanooga. Let's set the autopilot to hold a heading in 3,000 feet. This is what it looks like. It's VFR, but visibility is limited by haze. As I fly along, I monitor Chattanooga approach.
Chattanooga approach, Cirrus 874 Bravo Hotel. The AWAS at Warren County isn't given any sky conditions. Any idea if people are getting in their VFR?
This cirrus leads me to believe that conditions ahead are even hazier. I decide to U-turn. I'll save the Chattanooga trip for another day when I can enjoy seeing the city and the river. Now flying eastward, notice in the center of the pilot's display that we're approaching a private airport. If you're a NASCAR fan, you know the legendary Bill Elliott. This is his airfield, long enough for the jet his son Chase flies. I continue flying eastward over to Lake Lanier. This is the northern part of the lake, where all the upscale neighborhoods are. Every homeowner seems to have their own private dock on the lake. You might be wondering where all the boats are. Well, the fact is, it's so damn hot here, I don't think anybody's even out on the lake. Only some idiot flying overhead in his airplane. Time to head home now. Listen to the AWAS and note at the end of it, it says everything is unreliable. Anyway, with reported winds at 270, runway 34 is preferred.
Pickens County Airport automated weather observation.
1703 Zulu. Weather, wind 270 at 7. Visibility 4,200. Scattered. Temperature 30 Celsius. Dew point 21. Altimeter 3008. Density altitude 3500. Lightning. Distance south.
Wind and weather unreliable.
Pickens County traffic, RV 556, Whiskey Sierra 5 southeast for landing, runway 34, Pickens County.
Pickens I 1 2 at the ramp taxiing to runway 16. Pickens.
I disconnected my autopilot and covered up a transmission.
Pickens County traffic, say again please.
Five 1582 taxiing from the FBO to runway 16 via Alpha.
Pickens County traffic, Grumman 5432 Lima. We're about 10 miles to the southwest, maneuvering at 4,500 Pickens.
Okay, so we're using runway 16.
Pickens County traffic, RV 6 Whiskey Sierra is a 45-degree entry to a left downwind leg, runway 16 at Pickens. Pickens County traffic, RV 6 Whiskey Sierra midfield, downwind, runway 16 at Pickens.
Pickens County traffic, Airtrain Airport Tango is down near Cherokee County, 9.5 miles to the southwest. Going to be inbound, full stop, 34, Pickens.
This new pilot listened to AWAS and decided on runway 342. Later, he changes based on existing traffic, like I did.
Traffic Cessna 51582, at the holding hold short runway 16, lining up for 16 departure to the southeast, Pickens.
Pickens County traffic, RV 6 Whiskey Sierra left base, runway 16 at Pickens.
Area left base traffic in sight.
$500.
Pickens County traffic, Airtrain Airport Tango is now 5 to the south. Going to overfly the midfield, 3,000 feet, make a right teardrop to the left down 116, Pickens. And Pickens traffic, Cessna 51582 is turning left crosswind for runway 16 and southeast departure, last call, Pickens.
Pickens County traffic, RV 6 Whiskey Sierra is clear of the active at Pickens County.